Hello, Catalyst and Cardano community. My name is Darlington, your favorite code dreamer at Lighter Nation. I'm here to close out our proposal, Pay plugin, WordPress, and Laravel. This is from Fund 8 in the Open Source Development Ecosystem Challenge. The big idea was to build a PHP-based library that you can use to easily receive ADA payments if you have your product listed in US dollars. Once we have the base package, the next two big ideas were to get that package wrapped up as a WordPress plugin for the millions of WordPress sites out there and a PHP package, a Laravel PHP package for all the Laravel sites out there. The base plugin has been produced and published to packages, so you can install these in your composer in your PHP packages via Composer and start checking it out. And there's also the Laravel package that's also been deployed to packages. WordPress has a more manual, unique system. We have to get approval from a body who then assigns us an SVN repository. Then we will be able to upload this to the repository and allow the plugin to show directly in the WordPress plugin store. In the meantime, you can access the plugin and upload it to your WordPress site manually from the open source um, repo linked here, and all these links will be in the closeout report. Let's do a demo, shall we? So here I am. I've got a beautiful store. I'm going to go and do some shopping. Looks like we've got a pretty husky plush. Looks like we already have two of these in the cart. Now we have three. Okay. Let's go ahead and try to check out and proceed to the checkout page. Everything that's happened before this was all the normal WordPress processes. Once we get to the checkout and you select Aid Payment as your payment choice, that's when our code kicks in. You can select your wallet. It's going to take the US dollar price, do a live conversion based on the current market rate, and show you the data that you will need to pony up when you are happy with the price and ready to go through with your purchase. You can sign the transaction and wait, and voila, we receive the payment and we return the control back to WordPress for all the normal WordPress order workflow. So that means if you're using WordPress and WooCommerce and you've got other things that's plugging into WooCommerce, this should not interfere with those things. We just handle the payment part. Once the plugin is in the store, you will be able to install it directly from the plugin directory. And then when you do, you will be able to access it in your WooCommerce settings and configure all of the required settings. You need a Blockfrost API key, and you can have up to 3 different price feeds API keys if you want more stability in the conversion. So if you have one key, we will use just the one price feed. If you have 2 or 3, we will take the average to get you the final price. I'm not going to show that screen because we have keys in there right now for this demo. But if you're familiar with WordPress, you know what I'm talking about. Where do we go from here? We will love if you can see here, when you install the plugin, we add a menu to your WooCommerce submenu. Um, Lots of cool stuff is coming to this menu. Including being able to see the transactions and click to get to the Explorer, a setup wizard to help you get the Blockfrost keys and all the different API keys. Look forward to that. And like we said, we've already registered the plugin to the WordPress plugin store. So hopefully in a week or two, it should be live for anyone to install. In the meantime, if you want to try this out, reach out to at Lido Nation everywhere. Um, and we will be happy to onboard you. Last but not least, also in Fund 8, DC Spark got funded to update their existing open source indexer to support price feeds. So we're going to be deploying this to be able to show prices in um, for native token, to be able to support native token, so you can accept any Cardano native token in addition to ADA. That is a wrap. Thank you again for supporting us and for funding the proposal. And I will see you online or in person.